morning. These are automated waste garbage separator which separate dry, metal and wet garbage in their own compartment. And the sub-theme of this model is waste management, which is made up by us, Aman Sanodia, Kush Sanodia, Aryan Vandre, Muhammad Riyaz and Soumya Karveti. And in recent years, the waste management become an important problem which cause environment and the growing population, urbanization and consumption led to the rapid increase in waste and the waste increase, so the greenhouse gases released by the waste and many things which cause environment and peoples also. So for solving that problem, we made it an dry metal wet and dry wet and metal garbage separator with separate garbage for garbage to reduce waste segregation. And so uh, the scientific principle involved in this project is first metal induction is used to detect the object is metal or not by identifying the fluctuations in the magnetic field. Second, capacitive sensing is used to decide the object is wet or garbage, which help to sensing and send to their own compartment. And third, infrared reflection is used to find that the object is a presence or not in the model. So first we supply the power, and the basic component that are used in this is firstly proximity sensor, IR sensor, raindrop sensor, servo motor, Arduino buzzer, stepper motor, and supply battery externally. So the function of the components is first proximity switch. The function of the proximity switch is to detect the object is metal or not. Second, raindrop sensor. Raindrop sensor is used to detect the moisture either the present in the object or not. The third, IR sensor. IR sensor is used to detect the presence of the object. Fourth, servo motor. Servo motor is used to open the compartment for the door for deposit it into it. And Arduino, which is used to function ports and supply command to all over everywhere. And the stepper motor, which rotate the compartment clockwise. And another one is buzzer, which sound when the object is detected. And externally supply the batteries, power by the batteries. So the function is, now firstly we put an dry object here. IR sensor sends the presence of object and deposited it into the dry compartment. Now we take a metal and try it here. Metal detector senses the object and deposited it into the metal compartment. Now we take garbage, and fortunately there is no wet. I forget to take wet here. Now the motor rotate and object is detected and it was deposited in the wet compartment. Basic application of this model is first it can be used in industries, municipalities and other areas to separate the waste in metal, wet and dry. And it also can be used in recycling plants to recycle the useful waste. And it can also be used in household and commercial area as a smart dustbin. And that is all about my project. Thank you.